visually seen can only be described as indescribable. This senseless slaughter has turned the little burg of Porterville into an abordinate... Shit, I forgot it already. Abordinate bloodbath of brutality.
Freeze! Neighborhood watch.
What? Fuck.
We'll be asking the questions, young lady. What's your business here in Porter Oaks?
Okay, well, I am looking for a house, you shitheads. I mean, what the hell are you doing shining fucking flashlights at people's faces? What were you saying about Buffy?
Look, you know when Buffy would get near vampires, she'd get a funny feeling, kind of like deep down inside of her, like when Bugs Bunny got near gold.
He only did that in one cartoon.
See, now, whenever I pull the trigger, it doesn't shoot water like it's supposed to. It shoots my own pee, which is what I filled it with. Observe.
Am I mistaken? Or did you just spray your piss on my leg?
Yeah.
And how exactly did you see this playing out?
Oh, hi! How are you?
This is your idea of inconspicuous?
Maybe.
Okay, let's go. Those ever-loving kitty lickers, they just give me gas.
Turns!
Cut!
You call those titties? Oh, shit!
And that's the story at the courthouse today, Jim. This has been Bobbin Swallows for PVTV.
Hello? Hey there.
I am so glad you